This is my Phoenix Power MR2, and this is their Type 2 body kit, and it is complete, and it is probably one of maybe 2 or 3 in the world. And the Type 2 body kit consists of the front bumper and the front lip and the full headlight conversion, which was done to save a lot of weight, because this Type 2 body kit was designed for their Phoenix Power drag MR2s. And Phoenix Power is known and still is regarded as one of the leading tuning companies in Japan, and back in the early 2000s MR2s were their thing. The Type 2 body kit also includes the side skirts with side step, the fully electric mirrors, and the rather distinctive rear bumper with the vents, because a lot of these drag MR2s had a boot mounted intercooler. Obviously the vents were utilised in that setup. Also got the adjustable rear spoiler, which is 3 points of adjustment. The engine lid. It's also got the Departure 2 exhaust, which is original, which is 85mm diameter piping straight through, private number plate. It's still got the original Departure sticker, which you can't get anymore. It's a shame that it's worn away. Also got the BBSLM alloy wheels, 18-inch, 9J rear, 7.5J front, and a genuine border bonnet which I imported from Japan. Factory optional Recaros, and the Phoenix Power dials, which are really rare, and I managed to find a set.